Hey guys, it's Matt from LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Magnuson Performance. Let's do a little walk around on our newly built Magnuson Performance HELLCAT Jeep Gladiator Mojave. And we're actually filming in the future home of Magnuson Performance, which is kind of cool. Should be up and rolling here in about a month or so. So without further ado, here we have our 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave, sitting on Nitto Ridge Grapplers Method beadlock rims. We got the TerraFlex suspension lift with the Falcon adjustable shocks. Got the AMP Research power running boards. Got to have those when they stand up. Got the graphics going on the Mojave. Of course, we got the HELLCAT engine in it. Partnered up with our friends up in Holly, Michigan at America's Most Wanted 4x4. We do all our engine conversions here. We're an authorized partner of those guys, Jarrett and the crew. So here it is, our 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave HELLCAT edition. Ready for sale, ready for the track, ready for the street, ready for the trail. Quick shot of the interior of this Jeep Gladiator Mojave HELLCAT. We got the cool light colored seats from the factory. 8.4 touchscreen, heated seats, fully loaded Mojave, of course, with the HELLCAT engine. Ready to roll. Of course, it's cool to see the lift and the wheels on this HELLCAT Gladiator, but the real true beauty is the HELLCAT engine that Dave's put in this machine here in our shop at Magnuson Performance LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. It's a complete kit. We don't just drop an engine in. It's the engine, a new trans, the whole thing goes in new, fully functional, just like out of the factory. No warning lights will be on. Every option functions just as it did from the factory. And of course, 707 horsepower. All right, so we're back in the Magnuson Performance Jeep Gladiator Mojave with the HELLCAT engine in it. We'll open it up here in a minute. Thing drives like factory, very smooth, rides perfectly. No engine lights, although it looks like our washer fluid's low, but no check engine lights. Everything functions as it should from the factory. But of course, you got that nice little supercharger one. Brings a big smile to my face when I drive my Jeeps with the HELLCAT conversions, because I love that whine, that supercharger whine in the Jeep. Here we're coming up to a straightaway. We'll open it up a little bit so you can see what we can do. There you have it. Nothing like having a 707 horsepower HELLCAT engine in your Jeep Gladiator or your Jeep Wrangler. And if you really want to get crazy, we can do a Demon engine with 840 horse, or we can go all the way up to the Elephant with 1,000 horsepower. Of course, it looks great and it drives great, but it also sounds amazing. Horsepower of pure supercharged heavy power in this Jeep Gladiator.